Hello! 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 We're here in the parts of Hello! Hero, it's very nice. Yes, don't worry. Okay. Hello. Broom, broom. Nak, stay here. Kay have a bisikleta and somebody will hit you. Later. Tabi is there. Daddy. Akala. Yeah. Nah, come here. Don't go there. Hi. Arya, hi, come here. Arya. Come here. Mag-anak pa tayo. Mag-anak pa tayo. Wow, this what you want, anak? What you want? What you want? Huh? Truck? Oh my goodness, it's too much. Yeah. Yes. 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 Gee. Where do you want to go? What, anak? No, it's not. Don't have here. Give me back. Oh, asal. Lion is there. Nah, come here. Kali, not here, not there. Come here. Come here. We are here in the back of City Hall. In the park. It's a lot of people making photo shoots. Kalin, hi. See? Come here, Kalin, Arya. The flowers here. Come here, baby. Hi. Kaline. Yeah, later. Yes, I want to smell. Oh. baby. Yes. It's very good. I want to see her. Very nice. Upo tayong apat, sis. Ng mga bata. Let's go.
Really fancy. I cannot afford it.
Not fancy.
Bring you to Chinachita.
What is that? Chinese food? Chinese. Sige. Oh, let's go. Hi, Kalin. Let's go. Have Chinese food out in the app. Yeah. Second. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Hi, come on. Come on. Andun siya sa tatay niya. Hayaan mo na, takbo dyan. Yung tatay, na-stress. Later, and this too, I know. Every day. Maybe inside. You have another. I have video. Come here, Kalin and Arya. Hi. Bye. Pigeon. Yeah, in
You have in the Philippines pigeon?
yeah, we have. In Manila.
It's exactly this kind
Of
of...
course.
Yes.
You know we are making them pets because it's rare in our country.
Really?
They
Yes.
are selling the 200 pesos
Oh
one.
my God.
Yes. They put in the ano yung hawla?
Howl.
Howl.
They have a cooking soup here if they can catch.
Oh my god.
Like chicken.
Yes.
That's not good. For example, in the communist time when people were not able to get meat,
They get the
they
The
were
bird.
catching bird, yes, like this, yes, because they were not because they were not poor, they were not able to find meat to
Oh.
cook.
Come here, Kaline. Let's go. Inano naman ito ni si Kalin. Give.
Okay, the bear, take the bear.
Let's go, Nana.
Come on, let's go.
We need to go.
Wait something good tonight. Wait something good.
Your usual, I think.
Yes,
you
Kalin.
like that. They have that.
Spicy.
Yeah, they have that. I don't know if Mitch knows that.
What?
They have black mushroom.
Oh, sis.
Black?
Yung black mushroom. Ang sarap.
Yummy and with the garlic.
Try natin. Yeah.
Very good.
Yes, anak.
I think Mitch doesn't know that. In the Philippines, that's not.
Oh no. This is hindi common to sa atin. First time ko.
But they are, you know, what they are doing is they are importing that, buying that dry. They are putting that in water.
Ano ba ito si Kalin? Truck. Ang dami ng truck. You have truck. We have machine. What do you want to know?
Big sis.
Huh? Yes. Yes, mommy. Yes. We're going home. Need to go. See.